Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Engineer Sam Wasapi. So it's a continuation of our exam preparation videos. Okay, so before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so they're saying find the coordinates of all the points on the curve that the function f of x is equal to x squared plus 1 over x. Now I've been told that which the gradient, which is m, is equivalent to minus what? 3. So this tells you that the differential coefficient is minus 3. So to find all these points, the first thing we're supposed to do is to differentiate the given function. By doing so, we find f prime of x. So it's going to be a prime b minus b prime a over b squared. We're using the quotient rule because it's division. So we have to let a be the top function, which is x squared plus 1. So a prime is going to be equal to 2x. Then b be the bottom function x. So b prime is 1. So you have f prime of x to be equal to a prime, which is 2x. Then b, which is x, minus b prime, which is 1, by a, which is x squared plus 1, over b squared, so which is x squared. So if you clean it up, you have f prime of x being equal to 2x squared. Then this minus 1 falls out everything there. So you have minus x squared minus 1 over x squared, and you have f prime of x being equal to 2x squared minus x squared. That would be like x squared minus 1 over x squared. Now we know that where the gradient, which is the prime of x, is minus 3. So this implies that you have x squared minus 1 over x squared being equal to minus 3. If you cross multiply, you have x squared minus 1 being equal to minus 3x squared. We compute this. We have x squared plus 3x squared minus 1 being equal to 0. So I have 4x squared minus 1 being equal to 0. Solving basically for x, we have 4x squared being equal to 1 divided by 4 divided by 4. We have x squared being equal to 1 over 4. So you eliminate the square, plus or minus that. So x is equal to plus or minus 1 over 2. Now that we have the values of x, we can now find y to determine the coordinates. Okay, so now to find the coordinates, you get just the values of x, plug in the original, and it will give us the value. So we know that the first x coordinate is positive half, and the second x coordinate is negative half. So we know f of x is x squared plus 1 over x. So we know f at half, which is 0.5, you have half squared plus 1 divided by half. And if you compute this, if we have half, this should give you 1 over 4 plus 1. So you have on top, this would be 5 over, okay, let's just compute it together. Alright, so we're going to end up having something like 1 over 4 plus 1 over 1 over 2. Okay, so after that, you can just do basic algebra. You can just do a bit data by the side. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 1, common denominator is 4. You have 1 plus 4, giving you 5 over 4. And that is divided by 1 over 2. So basically, you have it as 5 over 4 times 2 over 1 reduces. And you end up having the final answer as 5 over 2 as your first y value. Then you can find the other y value in a similar manner. But if you see closely, because if you see it as it is, you will end up having the same thing but a negative, because imagine this, if this was negative, this would be a positive value, right? And at the bottom you just end up having a negative value, so you can say plus or minus 5 over 2 depending with the value of x you chose. So this implies that the other f at minus half will just be minus 5 over 2. The coordinates would be 1 over 2 comma 5 over 2 and minus half comma minus 5 over 2, and these are basically what we need. Alright, thanks for watching. So all you have to do is like this.